see. How are you doing?
Good. Good.
So what's the plan for tonight?
Stamp rally, bar hopping.
Bar hopping.
Yes.
Wow, that sounds fun.
And now we are collecting stamps.
Oh, collecting the stamps.
So from each restaurant around Asakusa backside district.
Ah, Asakusa backside street, like a hidden side of Asakusa.
Yes.
All right.
Just last time 1, 2, 3.
So we collected 3 stamps.
Oh, you already collected 3 times. 3. Okay, let's go.
So let's
9.
continue to
Okay.
collect stamps.
91.
91
91?
restaurants
Oh,
are
91.
joining this event.
Wow,
So
91.
we can enjoy.
So we're gonna explore all of them now?
This one, food and drink, only 1,000 yen.
Only 1,000 yen? That's awesome. Sounds very interesting. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's
Yay.
go. Let's
Come
go.
on,
First restaurant.
Oh, first restaurant.
We don't know what restaurant.
Oh, we
so
don't know?
let's ask master.
こんばんは、マスター。
酔いの湯参加店です。
おー
ワインバールディックです。
わ
お名前をお願いします。
あ、
はい、
お願いします。
台東区のお店を紹介してもらっているグルタイ酒井と申します。
ご自宅お願いします。はい。大丈夫。こんばんは。お疲れ様です。ミサちゃんは最近どうですか？
ミサちゃんは人力車と英語のがいい？
英語
あ、英語。
ミサちゃん頑張る。
頑張ります。
Okay. English.
English
No.
fighting.
Fighting.
She will do my best.
So today I wear suit
Oh.
because sometimes I will use
Oh,
PC,
okay.
computer.
PC.
Oh, computer work, yeah?
Computer work. おー。すごい。
Awesome.
オフィスワーカー。
Yeah, you handle both jobs, gym rickshaw and computer work too?
Yeah, so 東京力車job, sometimes.
Right. Ah.
グーベドボールブリュットブラックラベルです。
Oh.
I just read
Is it
this
Japanese?
katakana.
Oh, is it Japanese?
No, no,
Sparkling?
it's French だよ。
Oh, it's French?
Of course, it's from France.
Okay.
じゃあ、
イエーイ
乾杯しよう。
はい、じゃあカンペーションコピーですか。手元と
So,
うん。
爽やか
爽やか。
爽やか。
爽やかスパークリング、refresh taste.
あ
すっ
ー
きり
And sweets.
Sweet.
Oh, it's sweet, yeah.
Sweet and refresh.
Misa-chan's
Very good.
opinion? How
I
is it?
like it.
You like it?
Soon drunk.
Soon you will get drunk soon.
Maybe.
What is the alcohol percentage? Is
11%.
oh,
Wow.
11. Oh, it's like
Not so much.
So last time we drink
So
alcohol.
together.
oh, this is the first time?
And you know, no, not
Oh.
first time. Several times.
Oh,
we
several
had,
times.
But the last time, in the middle of the way, she got drunk.
Oh.
She got headache.
Yes.
Oh, you got headache.
Yeah.
So
You
Tomorrow also.
forgot to drink Paris?
no,
Paris.
we drunk.
You drank a Paris?
So yeah,
But didn't work.
Yeah.
maybe we drank long time.
Yes.
Ah,
That's why.
okay.
So we drink until 4 a.m.
4 a.m.
4 a.m.
at the hotel.
Wow.
So
But from what time to 4 a.m.?
Dinner time. From dinner time, so what time?
when we started, or maybe around 7.
7. Yeah, 7.
7 to 4, like 10 hours drinking. Wow.
I felt time passing quickly, so quickly.
Oh,
I felt like just one moment.
right.
When I noticed the time already around 4 a.m. Oh, it's time to sleep. No, it's late.
You both are professional drinker.
楽しかった。There was so much fun.
Yeah.
楽しかったね。
Okay. Oh, it's very good.
So we don't see so much couscous in Japan.
Ah, right.
So this one. なんなの? What is couscous?
I don't know.
We don't know.
I don't know this. Couscous is it?
あのなんだろう、スパイス、スパイス、really spices and herb.
Oh, also avocado inside. Yeah, avocado.
So good. 美味しい。美味しい。But it's not spicy.
It's not spicy. Yeah, it's not spicy. So if you fill it up, what happens?
We will get the privilege to join the lottery.
The lottery. Ah.
And if we won, we will get the beer jug.
Ah, beer jug. Okay. Oh, okay.
Original design.
Original design. That's cool. はい、はい。ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。ありがとうございます。楽しかったです。ありがとうございました。はい。じゃあ、行こう。Oh, you wanna?
I'm using your stamp card.
Stamp card. Oh, you're gonna ruin the stamp.
No worry. Okay, okay.
That's a unique umbrella. You wanna use mine?
This is your stamp card.
Stamp card.
You are the full camera. Full camera umbrella.
For camera. Oh, umbrella.
Full camera.
Umbrella for camera. Sorry.
でもなんかこれ、this raining、このめっちゃスモールレイン。
Small rain, yeah. It's not very.
I've heard it's not rainy for the foreign people.
Yeah. Foreign people they don't use umbrella for
Yes,
this rain.
yes. I have that image.
空いてるかどうかみたいな。いっぱいだった。
お、いいね。
You did? Yeah. When I was child, I used this one.
Ah, you used also?
Yeah, 1 million.
1 million yen?
100,000円。100万円。
おー。
はい。
乾杯。
1 million!
1 million yen. How is it?
1 million taste.
1 million taste?
No.
No?
How is the taste?
1 million taste.
1 million taste?
Synchronizing.
Synchronizing, yeah?
何でもいいです。
何でもいい。はい。
撮影用に買いたく思われても嫌だ。
確かに。なるほど。
一旦真ん中に置かせていただきます。美味しそう。美味しそう。お箸も
大岡さんの投稿で。
そう、basically they serve this one. 煮込みですね。煮込み。
煮込み。
そう。stew. So this is a basic set, but it's sold out
Oh, it's
right
sold
now.
out.
So they are now preparing alternative
Oh, okay.
two more alternative dishes.
Oh, so every bar actually you go has a different type of dish, yeah? That,
せーの。いただきます。
おいしい。
what is it?
モグ。モグ。
バゴ
ラディッシュ。
モグ。
何で
ラディッシュ。
モグ。
What is it actually?
ラディッシュ。
Oh, radish.
ずっと言ってたよ。言ってなくて。ミサちゃんがちゃんとラディッシュって言ってたよ。
You cannot say ラディッシュ。
ミサちゃんsaidラディッシュ。
You didn't say radish. You said you
She says
radish.
ラディッシュ。
Stamp type, yeah?
スタンプさん、ありがとうございます。あ、はい、お願いします。
小判でよろしいですか。
よっしゃ
どっから出た声。
ごちそうさまでした。美味しかった。ありがとうございました。はい。
りがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。本当に美味しかった。ごちそうさまでした。ありがとうございます。
もう十分ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。はい。
ありがとうございました。
はい、ありがとうございます。ごちそうさまです。
じゃあ行きましょ
Are you drunk yet?
なんだな
No, not yet.
You drunk?
No, no, no.
Not yet. No, no. Yes, yes, yes. You are not drunk. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. Yeah. You are not drunk. I think. Yeah, I can confirm that.
Just 10%.
10% only.
Yeah, 10%.
Oh, wow.
Actually, to be honest with you, I got drunk 10%.
Only 10%.
Yes. And you?
Oh,
How
wait.
many percent?
5%.
全然 not enough.
Not enough.
Not enough.
Yeah, we have a long night, so it's gonna
We have to drink more until 4 a.m. パチンコ。
be. Oh, that's the pachinko that building. It's very interesting.
This is the landmark of this district.
Oh, landmark of this is very old, yeah. But it's cool. It's a cool pachinko. Yeah. Well, my umbrella is broken. My umbrella is broken. Wah.
Where is my bicycle?
Yeah, we lost your bicycle. Oh,
Take
Wow.
off your shoes.
wow. Oh, we have to take off the shoes. A lot of drinks.
やばい、私の
It's so cool here. It's so big.
靴下が
It's huge.
めっちゃある。
これね、私がなんで乾杯。
This was a difficult one. How is it?
リビカル。
ディフィカル、そう。ディフィカル。カラフルじゃないみんな。
Yeah,
Everyone
everyone has different color.
Troublesome. Troublesome. Couldn't be better.
Couldn't be better.
Juicy.
Yeah,
DJ. So thick. うまっ。うまいね。It's actually good. Solidly.
Oh, it's salty, yeah.
For you.
This is the last one for me.
For you.
Yeah, wow.
Congratulations.
This is the first time in my life I win something.
ちょっと遅い。
遅かった。
YouTube に出るの？
有名な YouTube。
あ、出るのじゃあ。
あ、出ます
こ。こで何が出るのここは？
あ、
この焼肉。
あ、焼き。
今日じゃあ上タンを出すの上タン？
冗談。
美味しかったです。
あ、本当に美味しかった。ありがとうございます。
厚さが最高。
あ、そっかそっか。
美味しかったです。
聞いてくるんで行ってきます。
はい。りさちゃんの髪やるよ。ありがとうありがとう。
Misa Chan's bicycle is okay. Is it okay? Your bicycle is still.
いや、I'm already.
はい。あ、自分でやる？ You can do it yourself. Yeah.
おー、ありがとうございました。
You can see the difference.
Maybe this one?
2, 3, 2, 3.
What's happening?
2, 3.
What's happening?
I don't know
It's a
where it
Monja
was.
restaurant.
Oh.
He said Monja restaurant.
Is this one?
Is this one?
これだよ。
You sure it's here? Wow.
Ah, maybe.
Oh, is this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Be careful.
Wow. Alright. Oh, it's dark.
YouTube やるから。
Oh.
乾杯。乾杯。
めっちゃ赤いじゃん。
So he got all the stamps.
Yes.
He is the master. Master.
It's the actual master.
He is the actual master.
いや、すごいわ、これ。これすごい。
How long did it take?
どれぐらいかかりました？
9日間。
Just 9 days.
9 days. He completed all the bars in 9 days.
じゃあ、1日でレストラン。
Wow.
ここまでが
すごい。
Already prepared.
すごい。
お皿これ。
I've seen it first time this type of monja.
This is the first time. Yeah, it's very It's so
It's
deep. It's very
unique.
deep.
It's so unique. But it's
This is the deepest Japanese food.
it's egg.
Oh, fish egg.
Very tiny fish eggs
Ah,
with cheese.
cheese.
It's super popular in Japan, especially among the women.
Right. Oh, women.
Girls like this one.
Ah,
And this is the curry. Curry monja.
Raimonja. This is Mosaic.
It's super good. 超うまい、超うまい。もんじゃ最高。
Monja is really good.
い
You
つも
have
もんじゃこれがいい私。So we don't need to cook. Just we can enjoy eating.
酒井君新しいね
23っていう、だって name of this place is 23.
2, 3.
So he stamped on the 23,
Oh,
the
good.
place of the 23.
2, 3.
So the over the traffic light.
So is Yoshiwara.
Is red light district Yoshiwara.
Yoshiwara. Oh, is the famous Japanese old red light street.
Yes, the oldest and the biggest.
The biggest in Japan.
So